Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time coming across one of my videos, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming to my channel to watch my video. I love you guys, love you lots. And today's video I'm going to be doing some cake decoration, and I want you guys to come along with me. So I'm going to be covering these two cakes. So they are silver, so I'm going to cover it with gold contact paper, which is this. That's good. That's my contact paper. I don't know if you guys can see if it's good. Anyway guys, it's good. Yeah guys, look at the board now. It's good. That's the back, and that's the second one. From silver to good. That's the cake. So I didn't show you guys when I was covering it because I don't want the video to be very long. So yeah, that's the gold board. So that's the cake guys. So we're going to decorate it together. Hello guys, yeah, I'm done with my cake. I'm very tired. Oh my god, I'll be standing for like ages. So guys, tell me what you think about the cake I just did, and comment it down below what you think about this cake. And also I'm going to do a shout out. My today's shout out goes to BFASH fashion and style. So I'm going to put the name on the screen. So I don't know if I pronounce it very well. BFASH fashion and style. So she has amazing outfits, styles, ashwabis, bridal wears, bridal dress. So they are all beautiful. They are all beautiful. In case you guys are looking for nice styles to wear, so if you can check her out, support her and subscribe to her channel. So check her out guys. Another shout out goes to unique Fixx. So if you can check her out guys, so she did this last video that she did was how to revamp your hair in case your hair is a bit tangled like your human hair. So she has this amazing video on how to make it to be like a brand new one. So if you guys can check her out, she does makeup, she does hair as well. So if you guys can check her out, support her, and if you can subscribe to her channel, I'll be very happy guys. And I wanted to do another shout out to Madam fans. So she's not a content creator, but she commented first on my last video. So I just want to say thank you, Madam fans, for supporting me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate, and thank you guys for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and give this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and also like if you like this video. That's what I wanted to say. I'm just confused. I'm already tired. I feel like sleeping. Okay guys, love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.